Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about carrots, and I have some specific food and flavoring combinations that can help you out if you're looking for something specific to do, something a little different with carrots. Now this list is very long, so I've broken it up into 3 segments, okay? This is part 1. Combine carrots with almonds, pineapple, and vanilla. Or carrots with apples, cinnamon, pecans, and vanilla. Carrots with apples, raisins, and walnuts. Carrots with balsamic vinegar, beets, chives, and greens. Carrots with brown sugar, orange, pineapple, and raisins. Carrots with caraway seeds and cumin. Carrots with caraway seeds, garlic, lemon, olive oil, and parsley. Carrots with cardamom, maple syrup, orange, and yogurt, as in a soup. Carrots with celery and onions. And carrots with chilies, cilantro, and lime. Again, this is part 1. There's 2 more videos to come on this. Stay tuned. I do hope this helps. Bye for now.